In this video, we're going to calculate the cost of electricity. So we have an electric heater. The power of the electric heater is given, that is 10 kilowatt. And we use this 10 kilowatt heater for 5 hours in a day. If we're going to use 5 hours a day, how much it will cost in a year if the cost of the electricity is given by this number here, that is 20 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's write down all the information we have. The power is 10 kilowatt, that's the power. The time is 5 hours in a day. That means that's in a day we're going to use it for 5 hours only. And the unit cost is 20 cents per kilowatt hour. So when you calculate the cost, the energy is always expressed in kilowatt hour. That's the unit of energy. Okay, kilowatt hour, because this is the kilowatt, that's the power, times hour is the time, so that gives you the energy. So always express whenever you even if you look at the bill, you always see the unit cost always given in terms of kilowatt hour. If you know the power and you know the time, the total amount of energy consumed is given by this equation here. Energy is equal to power times the time. That's how you calculate the energy. So the power is given 10 kilowatt and the time is given 5 hours, that is 50. It won't be 50 joule, it will be 50 kilowatt hour. So this should be kilowatt hour. And that's how much energy we use in one day. So let me make it a little separate here. So that's okay. So that means in one day you're going to use 50 kilowatt hour in one day. So in 1 year, how much energy we're going to use? So you simply have to multiply by 365, because in 1 year you have 365 days. So if you do the math, you'll get this number here. That's the total amount of energy you have used. And now the unit cost is given. That means if you use 1 kilowatt hour, then the amount you have to pay is 20 cents. That means 20 over 100. So if I'm using this much energy, how much bill I have to pay? So this number times 20 over 2000. That's the 20 it has to be 20 divided by 100. I think that we don't have this number here. Okay, so the amount you'll get is 0. So let me do the math here. I think you'll have 10 here too. Okay, so the cost will be the energy times the unit cost. The amount of energy used is this energy here. The cost is 20 divided by 100, and if you do the math, the cost will be 36.50. So let me double check the math here. 18250 divided by 5, 3650. That's correct. So that's the how much bill you have to pay in 1 year just for the heater. Okay, although it sounds like a small number, but if you calculate over a year, that's how much bill you're going to pay. So this is it from this video. If you have any questions, comments, let me know, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.